So I want to welcome you back again to this video to talk to you and to show you how to carefully take out your crochet extension. I did a lot. I gave a lot of information, tips on the reason why you need to reuse the extension, why I think you should reuse the extension. I'm going to be linking that somewhere in the video. Please make sure to go through it and read. If you have not watched that video, I think you will not understand why this video is actually being done. Actually, please go back to watch it, and remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share with your friends and family. So now, if you watch the tutorial of how I installed this hair, this will make it so interesting, so easy for you to be able to take it out. So I also have a video which I'm going to be linking as well somewhere in the video, in the course of this video. I did a tutorial on how I installed this exact hair. So when you go check it out, you'll be able to see, because when you see the video, it will help you to know exactly how to take it out, because the process of putting it in is the same way you will bring it out. Okay, if that makes sense. So now you will see these extensions. So these ones are the ones, let me use these ones as an example on how to take it out. So when we were creating this extension, this crochet extension, we actually created a loop. Right. So now when you want to take out your crochet extension, so this does not only apply to your FAUXLOCS, it applies to crochet box braids, it applies to your crochet twist, it applies to your the rest of your crochet hair, except those coily ones that by the time you want to take them out, they're already tangled. I mean, you just cut those ones away and throw them away. Okay. So now, I will just move up close, if you can see what I'm doing. So when we were creating this extension, we created the loop. When we were installing this extension, we created a loop. So the loop is what you'll be going out for, to take out, to lift up, so that you'll be able to take out the extension. So I'm going to show you right away. So you look for the loop. Just go trace where the loop is sitting, right? Go straight to the root. Go very close to the root of the extension. Just locate the loop. So here, right here is a loop. Okay, let me see. Okay, yeah. So this right here is a loop. Can you see? Can you see? This is a loop right there. So all you have to do is to lift up this loop. So can you see? You can see this is the end. This is the rest of the extension. This is the loop. So all you have to do is just keep pulling this loop. Keep pulling it. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Oh, boom. Can you see that? Can you see? Then you just carefully take it out. Boom, 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 boom. And it's out. Yeah. Can you see? Can you see that? You take it out. And then if you watch my next tutorial, my previous tutorial, I told you how to carefully take all these freezes out so you can reuse it. Please go watch it. All the tables that I shook on that tutorial, don't mind me. Please go check it out. Thank you. So I'll show you another one. Can you see? So we'll go again. You look out for the loop. The loop is what you have to go out for first. You have to look out for. So that way you will be able to pull it out. So this is my loop right here that I created. So like I said, go watch the tutorial. You'll be able to see how I actually created that loop. So this will help you to understand how I'm taking this out. So please go watch it. So this way you draw this up. Yeah, can you see? This is the loop again. This is the loop, and then pull, boom. And then this is what is left, and then you bring it out. Boom! That's so easy. Oh my goodness. I'm sure if you know this thing is this easy, you will be reusing some of your extensions, you know. All those monies that you're going to be saving, I deserve to have a percentage because I just saved you some money. Yes, so I will just go right into the third one to show you. So this is another one. This is another one. This is another one. So again, you go boom, 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 boom. You look, you keep pulling but as you are pulling, please be sure that you are not pulling your own natural hair, please. Just so you don't have headache or you don't have any discomfort, please. So as you are pulling, be sure you are not pulling too much. You are not pulling too much. So you see, Then you pull, pull, pull. And then instead of pulling all the way, so once you have your loop, all you just need to do is just look for the rest of the ends and then bring it out. And then you pull it all out. Boom, 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 boom. It's out. So we'll keep going. Loop again. You will lift the loop. So all you just need to do is to make it get loosed a bit so that you'll be able to take out the rest of the hair out of it. So once this is out, you know, so just push the rest of the hair out from this loop. So you can just get a pinch. So once you have a pinch, oh yeah, so this one, see. So you can take out all your accessories, all these beads, also all these accessories, so they don't pull out to your hair if you are still trying to know how to like take it out. But if not, it's okay because it won't have any, there won't be any issue with your extension with that. See, I took it out carefully and I still have my accessory right in it. So this is all that you would do till you finish the rest of the hair. It's very easy, and just like I suggested, you can be watching, what's your favorite TV show? So think about you watching your favorite TV show, and then you're just using one hand to do like this. And then as you're doing that, you're munching your popcorn or something, and you're going like, or you're listening to your favorite music, and like, and before you know it, the whole head is done. For me, if I want to take this out and I'm serious, like I'm really, it takes me about, I don't know, it depends. Let me know, just because it depends. If it is box braids, crochet, maybe 30 minutes, I'm done. But this one, because you have to be careful about all those, you can see all those freezes, because this one is always very, you know, it's always bringing out difference, it's always showing itself. So you have to be careful to take it out such that, you know, you don't create more freezes, and you're going to be able to use it, and you have a lot of work to do by the time you want to take out. I mean, when you want to clean up the extension so that you'll be able to reuse it. I hope this video has been helpful. I hope you've been able to learn one or two things. Please, I will appreciate for you to leave me a comment. I will appreciate it if you please subscribe. Please share this video with your friend. You shouldn't be the only one to know about this thing, right? You shouldn't be the one to save money. You know, this is the pandemic. If you cannot give somebody money, the good thing is you can also give somebody a good idea, like on how to save their money. And this is, for a woman, this is a good lifesaver. I mean, it's going to save you some money. Please share with your friends. Please give me a like. Let me know what else you want me to do. I would like to have suggestions. I have lineup of topics I'll be bringing out, but I would like for you to also suggest the things you would like for me to do. I look forward to hearing from you. I look forward to seeing your comments. I look forward to having you in this family. I want you to subscribe again. Please like and share this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Until I see you again, by God's grace, have a good one. Bye.